eastern and central Pennsylvania. Then we have the severe thunderstorm warnings in a few spots. What's causing this? That front that we talked about. Now we're seeing prefrontal shower activity breaking out ahead of it. So we'll go ahead and put the radar with the attributes on so you can see producing a lot of lightning with these. We talked about the lightning just a couple days ago with those evening storms. We're seeing the same scenario now. And that system right there is the one spawning that severe thunderstorm warning. We got another one. I'll get to that one in a minute, but let's just take a closer look at this one and see what's in the wake here. As you can see, there's Dewshore, Laceyville, Mashopin. They're all in the bullseye for these storms. These storms are moving northeast out ahead of a cold front. So let's go ahead and take a look at our next system. And again, we're out here in central Pennsylvania. This is where we're seeing the most activity up to this point. The front is still west of the region. There's the one we just looked at in Sullivan County. So here's the one out here towards Lock Haven. Let me just give you an idea where this one's going. And again, you can see the amount of lightning associated with this one. Also the potential for some hail. So Logington, Jersey Shore, Williamsport, you're all in the crosshairs for these storms as they're moving through. If we look at the bigger picture, the front itself is actually just to our west. So we'll let that cycle through there, and I'll show you where I'm talking about. We're talking about back in here. This is where the front is right now. So anything we see out ahead of it, this is prefrontal stuff that's breaking out here, and we're going to see this throughout the afternoon. So if you have any outdoor plans, be prepared for suddenly changing weather conditions. That's what we're going to see through the afternoon and even through the evening. Now I've taken off the lightning and the hail attributes and all that. You can just see the radar there. Let me put it on the last frame. There's the now frame. And folks in Sullivan County, getting hit pretty hard right now. Center Clinton County. You folks in Lycoming County, get ready because these storms are actually moving in this direction here, as we just pointed out. So they're going to keep moving northeast. So that means you folks in Susquehanna County, even northern Wayne County, are going to get hit by these. Wyoming County, that northwest corner as well. And then back towards Center and Clinton counties. These storms here are going to be moving up into the Williamsport area as well. So we are under the gun. That's why we have these severe thunderstorm warnings. We had one earlier in the northern tier. Now we have two more, one in Sullivan County there, the other one for Center and Clinton counties, and they will continue for a little bit longer now. And we're going to see more of them popping up as well. Our biggest concerns will be for damaging winds. That's our primary concern. That's what we may see, some power outages and things like that. Flash flooding, also a concern because remember, we talked about these storms moving northeast. So as they move northeast, let's put this into motion. Sometimes you get a couple of storms going over the same spot. And that's why we're concerned about that flash flooding potential going on here. And then, of course, potential for hail and just that slight chance of a tornado. We'll continue to monitor that. So that's what's going on here this afternoon. It's going to continue into the evening hours, and it's going to spread over eastern Pennsylvania. So like I said, I just wanted to give you a heads up, let you know what's going on, why we have the severe thunderstorm warnings issued right now and the severe thunderstorm watch. If it warrants, if we get any tornadic activity, we'll of course break into local programming, and we'll continue to provide you updates as long